Hello friends, in a non-stick tawa, I'm just frying Marathi Moggu and star anise in a dry manner. Okay, you would wonder for what I'm doing this. After toasting this with slight sooty order, what I'll do is hand pound it and prepare a very relishing tea to heal wheezing, blood pressure, constipation, and all sorts of ailments. Now I'll just start with it. Now I've toasted it. Put it to a hand pounder. Okay, see. See friends, now manually I'm pounding it. I don't want it in blender because too much of things also I don't want to be pounded. Now I've diluted this milk 1 is to 1, meaning to tell 1 portion of water and 1 portion of milk. To this I'm adding the semi pounded Marathi Moggu and star, and as you can see the quantity approximately tentatively I've shown you in hand. Okay, and to this I'm also adding just only this much of leaf tea, okay, which I got from Coorg. Okay, this my friend got and gave me. So I'm just adding this. That's all. Already the sugar is added. So I'll bring it to boil and I'll tell you. So friends, I'm slightly twirling it, the pan, such that the essential ingredients just get its poultice inside the tea, and you'll get a replenished flavor all through the room. It wafts this aroma, and now you have to, the main criteria is you have to simmer it and only get the extract in the tea such that it is not charred. Okay, so now I'm essentially filtering all the required things in our tea. Okay, a beautiful Marathi Moggu and star anise tea. Now friends, see, I'm just filtering it. You can see, I suppose, in this mug. Now beautifully the tea essence have got inside our cup. Now you can relish it. Okay, you can see the filtrate left over here, and even for another time we can use it because the active metabolite will be there in it. Now you can see a beautiful effervescence or smoke arising from it, and for this weather you relish my tea. Okay friends, can you see it? Okay, bye bye, good day.